Peter, here we are today. We're at VMware Explore, and I've walked by the hands-on lab room. I've seen all the monitors, and I've seen people buzzing around and doing things. What exactly is a hands-on lab?
The hands-on labs are a great resource for our customers. It's a volunteer-run organization, although there are some hands-on lab people in the core team that are full-time. But we create over 80 labs every year of all of the VMware products that people can use and try out for free anytime they want from anywhere in the world. And at VMworld, is typically where we release kind of all the latest and greatest new labs. And so you can take all those labs at a computer in the hands-on labs, and we have something called expert-led workshops where the people who built the labs walk you through the lab themselves and add different little elements into it as well. So we'll have, I think, about 40 sessions a day in the expert-led workshops. And we also have a really exciting thing called VMware Odyssey. And the Odyssey is basically it's taking the labs to the next level by adding a competitive aspect to it. And at the last live VMworld, we had the first Odyssey competition where it was really exciting. We had 16 teams competing head-to-head that narrowed it down to the final 8, and then they competed basically and had to do tasks in the labs that were part of the labs, and they got timed and they got scored points on it, and the winning team all won MacBook Pro. So it was really exciting.
Do you remember what the project was for the winning team? What did they demo or do?
The final in that 2019 was vRealize Automation, and there was a series of tasks you had to do in vRealize Automation, and it was a 2-second victory over the Boeing team, and another team basically came down head to head to get the last question done, and it was literally seconds between the two of them. So it was really exciting. So this year we have a play-in tournament, and then the winners of that play-in tournament will go head-to-head over the last day and go for the big prizes. Should be fun.
Awesome, Peter. Thank you for that. Go see Peter on the 3rd level of Moscone West. Check out Hands-On Labs, VMware Explore.
Exactly.